Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a different style of video. I wanted to showcase my new Instant Vortex Plus. It's basically an air fryer. I picked it up over the Black Friday sale. Got a good deal. I'll link it down below in the description, so do check it out if you want to pick one up for yourself. So the reason I got this is because it's not the typical standard air fryer. This has more like an oven. It's a 7-in-1. It's an air fryer, bake, roast, reheat, broil, dehydrate, and rotisserie. I think I'll be using that rotisserie function quite a bit. So here's what the box is. Basically, I'm going to be unboxing it today. Again, this is the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer from Instant Pot. Same people that make the Instant Pot. So we're going to twist it around and go ahead and open this. So the very first thing that you see is the owner's manual, and I highly recommend that you go through the owner's manual because it tells you how to operate the product. So here's the air fryer. It's a lot different than the traditional air fryer that you would see right here. So unlike the older style where you had to open up a box, this is more like a convection oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the tape so I can go ahead and open this. Pull out the attention. Remove this tape as well, and that's how you open it. I highly recommend that you wash this stuff because who knows what the chemical process was, what chemicals were used to create this. This is the basket. I'm gonna go ahead and try. There we go. Also wanted to go over all the accessories that you get, so all the rotisserie stuff basically. So this is called the Rotisserie Basket. Basically you could throw in some french fries or any kind of vegetables and then cook them in here. Next you get the rotisserie rod and hook. So basically it's pretty self-explanatory. So you put it in this way and then tighten it as needed, and then do the same thing on the other side. Put it in, tighten it, and then basically get adjusted depending on the size of your chicken. But the idea is put a chicken through this and then it rotates inside the Instant Vortex air fryer. So basically you would put in whatever you need to put in and then place your lid like so and then twist it so that it gets locked. So here it's unlocked, but then when you twist it, it's locked. So as you can see, it wouldn't fall off. So next you want to click this in so that that part goes inwards, and then you could actually go in and place your basket in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Basically you want to make sure that it hooks in like so, and make sure that that piece goes in, and then next we're going to close the lid. Machine says it's on, or it's off at this point. Go ahead and do air fry. I just want to test it, so I'm just going to put it for 2 minutes. I'm going to hit start. Oops. So the very first thing it's going to do is heat up. It's going to make a lot of beeps and noises, but then it's not, as you can see, the timer hasn't kicked in yet because the machine has to get up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit before it starts rotating and starts cooking the food. Also, you can hit the rotate button. As you can see, I just hit the rotate and now it's rotating inside. So as your food is cooking, it's a great idea to rotate it so that it cooks evenly on all sides. It's really hot. I'm just going to use the tool that they gave me. Just go ahead and put that in there, hit that switch, and take it out like that. Sorry, there's not any food in there, but I do plan on using this in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. So here are the trays that it comes with. So the first one is, or actually these are two of them. So you get 2 trays for baking. So here's the first one. I'll go ahead and toss that in. Just a bad job. Go ahead and toss that one in like that. And here's the second tray. Go ahead and place that in carefully. And finally it comes with the drip tray, or it basically catches any of the juices that will fall off. And that goes towards the bottom. This has a light in there, very handy, very useful I think. You can all actually see what is getting baked inside or getting air fried inside. Alright, gonna close this, set it on air fry 400, set time to 20 minutes, like that, and hit start. While the process is going, while the food is cooking, you can always come in and adjust the temperature. I think the maximum it goes is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so keep that in mind. If you're trying to cook anything over this heat level, it's not gonna go over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And also you can come in and adjust the time. So if I wanted to cook it for an extra minute or so, I could come in and do that in the middle of the process. I hope you liked the unboxing and first impressions video on this instant air fryer. I do plan on making a lot of food videos using this, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.